No wonder this grass went viral all over the social media. With its endless health benefits, it is truly God's gift to mankind. We can find this weed almost everywhere throughout the Philippines and mostly in warm countries. This grass is widely spread along riverbanks, settled areas and even along roads. And because of our ignorance about the abundance of its uses, it is normally ignored by many. Many people have testified about how amazing and effective this grass is in treating common and severe illnesses. Now, we present to you the reasons behind the buzz. Paragis is widely used in Africa as an alternative medicine to different kinds of illnesses. Eat people from Paragis used burnt dried leaves of Paragis as a repellent against insects. Leaves of Paragis contain silicon monoxide, calcium oxide, and chlorine. Dried leaves contain protein. Many declared it to be anti-inflammatory, a natural antihistamine, a natural diuretic, antidiabetic, an effective antioxidant and has cytotoxic properties. Parts of Paragis that can be used as a herbal medicine. Leaves. Drinking boiled leaves of Paragis or making a Paragis tea will ease several pains and illnesses. You can also patch the minced or pulverized leaves on some conditions. Stems. Boil the stem with leaves to achieve more effective results. Roots. Drinking boiled roots can also cure several illnesses. Health conditions that can be cured by Paragis. Cancer. Because of this plant's antioxidant properties, this can lower the risk of growing cancer cell in your body. Ovarian cyst and myoma. Patients with ovarian cyst conditions have proven that drinking Paragis tea on a daily basis has made the cyst completely disappear. Kidney problems. Paragis is a natural diuretic which increases the amount of water in our body and expels salt as urine. Arthritis. Heat pounded leaves mixed with scraped coconut. Patch and bandage on the affected area. Diabetes. Drink Paragis tea regularly and say goodbye to diabetes. Wounds. Apply decoction to wound to stop the bleeding. Parasitism. Paragis is a strong laxative that can flush out worms and parasites from your stomach. Urinary tract infection. You may stop taking antibiotics and start drinking boiled leaves to immediately cure UTI. Hypertension. Lower the risk of high blood pressure by drinking boiled leaves and stems of Paragis. Fever. You won't be needing any medication to reduce your temperature. Just drink boiled roots of Paragis for faster and more effective results. Dandruff. Reduce the appearance of dandruff. Mix minced leaves and stems with coconut oil. Use it as a shampoo and gently massage it on your scalp. It can also stop hair fall and help your hair grow back to its original thickness. Dysentery. This is a type of gastroenteritis that results in diarrhea with blood. Drink boiled roots of Paragis to ease this alarming condition. Other illnesses that can be cured by Paragis: asthma, hemoptysis, bladder disorders, liver problems, jaundice, malaria, infertility in women and epilepsy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe.